Hey guys, welcome back. Today's quick tip is how to clear the memory in your computer, modules, capacitors, and any adaptive strategies like transmission shift points and fuel trim data. And this can also recalibrate certain actuators like HVAC Blend Doors and electronic throttle bodies and whatnot. And this can be used to help diagnose certain issues and help confirm and verify after repairs have been made. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I've already got the negative terminal loosened on the battery, and we're going to take that off and place a rag over the terminal. And if you're nervous like me, sometimes I like to wear double protection and use a bungee cord to tie up this so it doesn't fall back down. And then next you're going to take your jumper wire and connect it to the negative terminal like that, and then connect it to the positive terminal like that. Now what this is going to do is it's going to drain all the power out of any power storage device and wipe the slate clean so you can start from square one again. And this is going to take about 5 minutes to do, and after 5 minutes just connect everything back up, and depending on what you're trying to fix, start the engine, let it idle for 5 minutes, and then take it for a drive, just driving normally until everything gets to normal operating temperature. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.